world, technology skills are essential for everyone. B2B's AI skills and technology workshops empower individuals to stay ahead in a tech-driven future. Our digital literacy and competence workshops are designed to enhance your tech skills, no matter your age or experience. Learn how to navigate online platforms, use essential digital tools, and stay secure in a connected world. With B2B, you'll gain confidence using the latest technologies, from everyday digital tools to understanding how to protect your data in an ever-changing digital landscape. Looking to build your personal or professional brand online? Our social media and personal branding workshops teach you how to master social media platforms and communicate effectively online. From building a strong brand presence to leveraging digital marketing, we help you make an impact in the digital world. Harness the power of digital marketing and use social media to elevate your career or business with our expert-guided sessions. With B2B's AI skills and technology workshops, you'll master the digital world, from improving your online competence to building a strong personal brand. Our hands-on approach ensures you're ready to thrive in today's tech-driven society. Ready to level up your digital skills? Join B2B's AI skills and technology workshops today and unlock your potential in the digital age. Contact us to start your journey.